It's check-in day at the Cal, Hawaii's home away from home, and we cannot wait to show you our sweet suite. We could tell right away that these hallways have been recently redesigned. You could smell the fresh paint, and I love the floral pattern on the walls and the carpet and the light fixtures too, all of it. There goes your ice and your vending machine. We're almost there, I promise you. We were all the way down pretty much to the end of the hallway, but when you see the room, it's totally worth it. Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. You're interested in Vegas, you landed here on this channel, and that's all that we do. So we just checked into the Cal, Hawaii's home away from home in downtown Las Vegas. They've been around for about 50 years down here in Vegas, and we checked into a signature suite. Pretty awesome room down here. We wanted to give you guys a tour. When you first come in, you're in this big entry area. Plenty of room for all your luggage that you're going to bring in here because this is a big room. You're going to have a lot of stuff. And then to your right, you have a kitchen. Full refrigerator, which is really nice. Complimentary water right there. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, that's just storage under the sink. But you've got a full wet bar, complimentary coffee pot, and you've got a bar. This is pretty nice for when you're playing host. Because let's face it, when you're staying in this room, everybody else that's with you is going to want to be in your room. Here's a closer look at the kitchen and bar area. And then you walk into this nice big living room. I mean, talk about having everybody in here, watching the big game, hanging out, getting ready for a night on the town here in Vegas. Love this. Look at this. How cute these pillows are. Isn't that nice? Let's check it out. So right here, you've got two nice comfy chairs along with that big pull-out couch right there. So it actually feels like you're in a living room and not a hotel room. And then you have this massive TV stand right here. This is also where you're going to find the safe. And guess what? This is not just a TV stand, right? Because you're watching the big game. You're going to want some refreshments because the kitchen is too far. You have another nice big fridge right here. That's just perfect because who wants to walk to the kitchen? And then you just have this just amazing view of downtown Las Vegas. I love these massive windows. They weren't quite floor to ceiling, but pretty close. Look at all of this natural light that it lets in, and you've got a view of all of downtown. You can see the mountains right there, some of the other properties, the highway, but you can also see the Mob Museum right there in walking distance. Along with a couple seats at the bar, for the cool people, you do have a full dining room that sits 6 comfortably. If you're gonna have all these people, go ahead and order room service. You've got so much space right here. At least you have space for 6. Somebody might have to sit at the bar though if you have more people. Let's go check out the bedroom. I guess this is the suite part of the suite. It's been pretty sweet so far though. Look at this nice big room that you have here. Another TV, another chair for chilling or timeout time. And look at this nice big bed. I love that it's not too high off the ground so that I can just fall in, right? You have a little charging port over here. You got an outlet on your lamp. Really nice classic lamp there. Really like these tables, these end tables. Really nice. And of course, you're going to have the same on the other side. There you go. Nobody left any chips, but I will keep checking. Plenty of space here for all your stuff. Look at that. No chips. Yeah, look at that. 3 on each side. Plenty for everybody. Here's a closer look at the bedroom portion of the suite. We loved everything about it, even the ceiling right there. How nice was that? Wait until you see this tub. If you watch our videos, you know that we love a big, deep tub like this. Look at that. You could probably fit 5 people, but for us, it was just the 2 of us. This was absolutely perfect after walking around and exploring downtown all day long. And then you have this little area here where you can get ready to go out. And then there's a separate toilet area right here, and they even have a bidet. Now, I really appreciate the door that separates the toilet from the rest of the room. And then you've got this large countertop right here, perfect for us, 2 sinks, plenty of room for us to get ready. And of course, this is where you're gonna find your towels, extra toilet paper, hand towels, all of that stuff there. And of course, you're also gonna have your hygiene products as well as your hair dryer. Let's take a look at this nice, big walk-in shower. Here's the closet right here. This is opposite the shower. You can see standard stuff. You've got your hangers, you've got ironing board, your iron. So this is a big suite. Right here, we're gonna give you a quick walkthrough. Just a quick recap now that we're checking out. I really liked staying here for 2 nights. Obviously, the space, it was super chill and quiet. Love that massive tub that we used every single night. The kitchen, the refrigerators, It was just great. Highly, highly recommend. Only thing though is we were really far from the elevators, but that's fine. It's fine. But just be aware of that. If you're looking at this specific room right here, it is pretty far from the elevator, so you are going to be walking. That's a wrap on this one. As always, we want to hear from you guys. Let us know your thoughts on this room right here at the Cal. Comment below, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You made it all the way to the end. You might as well subscribe. All we do is bring you Vegas. And yes, we are on social media. We're Instagramming, we're TikToking, we're Facebooking, we're YouTube. We're everywhere. We are Ninth Island Connection. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.